AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems are designed to process large amounts of data, learn from it, and make decisions or perform actions without being explicitly programmed for each task. They can adapt and improve their performance over time, making them versatile tools across various industries and applications. There are different approaches to AI, including symbolic or rule-based AI. This approach uses predefined rules and logic to make decisions based on explicit programming. It involves setting up a system of rules for the AI to follow. Machine learning. In this approach, AI systems learn from data. They are fed with a large dataset and learn to recognize patterns, make predictions, or perform tasks based on this data. Deep learning. A subset of machine learning, deep learning involves using neural networks with multiple layers to analyze and process data. It is especially powerful for tasks like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP. This area of AI focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language. It's used in applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Computer vision. This involves giving machines the ability to see and interpret visual information from the world, such as images and videos. Robotics. AI plays a crucial role in enabling robots to perceive their environment and make decisions to perform tasks. AI applications are widespread and include virtual assistants, like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems, like those used by Netflix or Amazon, autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, gaming, fraud detection, and much more. As AI continues to advance, it holds the potential to significantly impact various industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and entertainment. However, it's also accompanied by important ethical considerations, such as bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and questions about the future of work in a world with increasingly capable AI systems.